you have to try till you cry. Now that's a finality for you because of the experiences that you've had. But it is not necessary that the same experiences will continue. What happens is we as human beings, we are creatures of habit. So we have an activating event, we have a behavior related to it, and then we have the consequence. So A is not directly related to C, but it is dependent on B. So C is a result of B. That is, what behavior you show because of an activating event is what result will happen. So long you had the habit that yes, I have to study and make it so, it's such a difficult task that eventually it will be so difficult for me that I'll have to cry and then I come out of it. So for you, success comes after a lot of effort. Now today if I tell you that success comes effortlessly. I have a very good student of mine who is pretty lazy as per his commitment. But if I give him a work when there's hardly 15 minutes left for him to go home, he completes it within 30 minutes. Smart work. Yes. So now you put aside the thought that you have to do hard work. There are techniques. So use techniques and do smart work. Instead of slogging it and crying and then you say, oh God, I got this trophy, this is a success. Wouldn't it be beautiful if you use your intelligence and use the strategy, to reach to where you want to be and say, yes, it's happening because you made a plan and as per the plan things are going, and even if it doesn't go as per the plan, you know that you will eventually make it. So that belief that you will eventually make it is going to create a pattern in your mind, and now your belief is going to change from its hard work and then the trophy to it's planned work, it's smart work, it's just scheduling things, and then it's effortless. So since you practiced the other things, now you can practice this thing as well. Wonderful. So dear friends, I'm sure this video has added value to your lives. And yes, we are committed towards your improvement. Hence our tagline is, I win when you win. So do share this video to all your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, so that their lives also can become better and better. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We are here for you because I win when you win. Stay blessed.